Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Dhgate app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer, this is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. The Dhgate app is an online marketplace connecting global buyers with sellers offering a wide variety of products at competitive prices. Users can search by category or image, chat with sellers, track orders in real time, and access exclusive in-app coupons. The platform also supports bulk purchases with tiered pricing and provides buyer protection policies including refunds and dispute resolution. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. On the positive side, Dhgate offers affordable pricing, extensive product variety, and direct access to wholesale deals. Features like image search, buyer protection, and the ability to negotiate with sellers make it convenient for both casual shoppers and bulk buyers. App-only deals add an extra layer of savings. However, there are notable drawbacks. Shipping times can be very long, sometimes taking weeks or months. Product quality varies, descriptions aren't always accurate, and some users report receiving damaged or incorrect items. Customer service can be slow or hard to reach, and returns are often challenging for international buyers. In summary, Dhgate is worth using if you're looking for low-cost items in bulk and don't mind verifying sellers and waiting for delivery. If fast shipping, guaranteed quality, or easy returns are priorities, the experience may be frustrating. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.